Myself Farshid, and we are going to discuss the topic Introduction to Internet of Things. This is the topics we can cover in this Internet of Things. First of all, what is an IoT? The IoT stands for Internet of Things. It is the network of physical objects or things embedded with the electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange the data. IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure, creating opportunities for more direct integration between the physical world and computer based systems, and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefit. Things, in the IoT sense, can refer to a wide variety of devices such as heart monitoring implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, electric lamps in coastal waters, automobiles with built in sensors, DNA analysis devices for environmental, food pathogen monitoring for field operation devices that assist firefighters in search and rescue operations. These devices collect useful data with the help of various existing technologies and the autonomously flow the data between other devices too. The history of IoT. The concept of the Internet of Things first became popular in 1999 through the Auto ID Center at MIT and related market analysis publications. Radio frequency identification, also known as RFID, was seen as a prerequisite for the IoT at that point. If all objects and people in daily life were equipped with identifiers, computers could manage and inventory them. Besides using RFID, the tagging of things may be achieved through such technologies as near field communication, barcodes, QR codes, Bluetooth, and digital marketing. How IoT works. Internet of Things is not the result of a single novel technology. Instead of several complementary technical developments provide capabilities that taken together help to bridge the gap between the virtual and physical world. The capabilities includes communication and cooperation, addressability, identification, sensing, actuation, embedded information processing, localization, user interfaces, and how it works. RFID through sensor smart tech, and through smart tech it can be nanotech. RFID it to identify and track the data of things, whereas sensor to collect and process the data to detect the changes in the physical status of things. To enhance the power of the network by developing processing capabilities to different part of the network. To make the smaller and smaller, things have done the ability to connect and interact. The structure of IoT. The IoT can be viewed as gigantic network consisting of network of devices and computers connected through a series of intermediate technologies, where numerous technologies like RFID wireless connections may act as enablers of this connectivity. Tagging things, real time item traceability and addressability by RFIDs. Feeling things, sensors act as primary devices to collect data from the environment. Shrinking things, miniaturization and nanotechnology has provoked the ability of smaller things to interact and connect within the things or smart devices. Thinking things. Embedded intelligence in devices through sensors has formed the network connection to the internet. It can make the things realizing the intelligent control. The current status and future prospect of IoT. Presently, the world population is 6.3 billion, and whereas connected devices 500 million in the year of 2003, and we can see in the year 2010 the connected devices per person is 1.84 and the connected devices is 12.5 billion, whereas the world population is 6.8 billion. By increasing the year, the connected devices per person and connected devices were drastically increased, whereas in the year 2015 connected device per person is 3.47, whereas connected device 25 billion. And in the year 2020, the connected devices per person is 6.58, and the connected devices is increased for 50 billion. IoT as a network of networks. These networks connected with added security, analytics, and management capabilities. This will allow IoT to become even more powerful in what it can help people achieve. The future of IoT. What happens when 50B machines become connected? Here, the sky is not the limit. It's only be beginning with the IoT. Here, the real-time network planning, shipment visibility, hospital optimization, intelligent medical devices, connected machines, smart grid, factory optimization, logistics optimization. This is all can be done through an IoT where all will be connected at one place. Unlock the massive potential of IoT. The IoT can be improved in improved performance, reduced cost, create innovative services and new revenue stream. Technology roadmap of IoT, where in the 2000 the RFID tags for facilitating routing, inventorying and loss prevention, whereas in 2010 surveillance, security, healthcare, transport, food security, food safety, document management, whereas in 2020 locating people and everyday objects. At present time, teleoperation and telepresence ability to monitor and control the distant objects. Now coming to applications of IoT. Few applications of IoT that is presently now building and home automation, manufacturing, medical and healthcare system, media, environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, energy management, transportation, better quality of life for elderly, sensors in even the whole cow. In the world of IoT, even the cows will be connected and monitored. Sensors are implemented in the ears of cattle. This allows farmers to monitor cows' health and track their movements, ensuring a healthier, more plentiful supply of milk and meat for people to consume. On average, each cow generates about 200 MB of information per year. Of course, we know nothing remains static, especially when it comes to internet initiatives and advances such as Cisco Planetary Skin, the G Industrial Internet, and HP Central Nervous System for the Earth. And smart dust have the potential to add millions, even billions of sensors to the internet. As cows, water pipes, people, and even shoes, trees, and animals become connected to IoT. The world has the potential to become a better place. Internet of Things is the next stage of the information revolution and refers the internet connectivity of everything from urban transport to medical devices to household applications. Integration with the internet implies that devices will use an IP address as unique identifier. Objects in the IoT will not only be devices with sensor capabilities but also provide actuation capabilities. Additional examples of sensing and actuating are reflected in applications that deal with the heat, electricity, and energy management as well. Other applications that the Internet of Things can provide is enabling extended home security features and home automation. Here, the IoT application scenario while shopping. When shopping in the market, the goods will introduce themselves. When entering the door, scanners will identify the tags on her clothing. When paying the goods, the microchip of the credit card will communicate with checkout reader. When moving the goods, the reader will tell the staff to put a new one, and it can track the steps when you walk. Here, the sleep monitoring system using the smartwatches like Fitbit. Here is the one more example for IoT systems throughout control computing. The flagship product Mindwave is a headset that can log into your computer using just your thoughts. Researchers recently used the EEG headset to develop a toy car that can be driven forward with thought. NeuroSky smart sensors can also track your heart rate and other bodily metrics, and can be embedded in the next generation of wearable devices. Technology's challenges of IoT. At present, IoT is faced with many challenges such as scalability, technological standardization, interoperability, discovery, software complexity, data volumes and interpretation, power supply, interaction and short range communication, wireless communication, fault tolerance, critics and controversies of IoTs, privacy, security, autonomy and control, social control, political manipulation, design, environmental impact, influences human moral decision making. And here are the references we go. Thank you.